Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hi everyone, my name is Umang Gupta. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, having obtained All India rank 3 in the CA final May 19 attempt. So, post my chartered accountancy, I joined Marico as a finance management trainee. So, I've around 7 months of pre MBA work experience, and post that, I'm Bangalore happened for me.
Hi, sirs. Good afternoon.
Hi Umang, nice shirt. You like blue?
Yes, thank you. This is actually my lucky shirt. I wear this for all my interviews.
And the shirt has never failed you.
No, not yet.
And you think the tradition will continue today?
Yes, sir. I will try my best.
So tell me something about yourself.
Sir, I'm a chartered accountant by profession, having secured an All India rank 3 in my CA finals. Currently, I'm working as a management trainee at Marico in the value enhancement team. I have worked on a project based on the Middle East area and another where we were to optimize the company's costs. I love to play chess. I am an international rated FID chess player. And I love finance and I'm also pursuing CFA.
Amazing. CA final topper. So what brings you here? Why MBA?
So I want to learn the different aspects of business, operations, supply chain, marketing, finance, etc. And MBA will really help me to broaden my perspective. The case study based teaching will help me to understand how an engineer, a lawyer, economic student will approach the same situation but from their own perspective in a different way. I want to be mentored by the best of the best faculties. And with a very strong alumni network, I will meet the smartest minds of the country and learn from them, and that will improve my overall personality and also broaden my way of thinking.
All right. If that is so, then what were you doing at Marico?
So, sir, as I told you before, I work in the value enhancement team. So, I engaged in a lot of projects throughout my tenure here. And one of them was a project on sales and marketing advertising spend for Marico India. So, our work here was to basically optimize costs for the company, and we did it through analysis and sent in our recommendations. Another project was based on the Marico Middle East area business, where we undertook a chain level, brand level, and store level profitability analysis.
Interesting.
So a lot of times, as a whole, the company shows profit, but when you actually drill deeper into brands and stores and channels, you may find some anomalies or exceptions that you may not actually be doing well. So what we did was we segmented them and made recommendations to increase or create profitability.
Interesting. Any other projects you worked on?
Yes, sir. I'd like to talk about my sales stint as part of the management trainee program, where we actually went on the ground for a couple of months and visited different retailers in the markets. The idea basically was that before taking a decision seated in an air conditioned office, one should actually know how operations and sales are done and how goods actually move from the factory to the retailers. That process is very important for us to know. We also learned through this initiative how our competitors were doing, which was a great insight, and what are the sales schemes and incentives that they offer, and potentially we could offer to the distributors. And I think this process was very, very crucial to my learning as well.
Which is your favorite subject? Do you know accounts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Mr. All India rank 3 CA Umang Gupta, tell me how will you calculate the diluted earnings per share for a leveraged company with in the money convertible debentures?
So, sir, according to me, so to calculate diluted EPS, we take a company's net income and we subtract any preferred dividends. Then we divide the result by the sum of the weighted average number of shares outstanding and dilutive shares.
Let's get to some points you talked about in your VAT. Umang. Things like repo rates are theoretical. Do you really think they help?
Repo rate is the rate at which the central bank of a country lends money to commercial banks in the event of any shortfall of funds, basically. So, measures like the repo rate in isolation cannot actually, in my opinion, help the economy. But my view is that these measures all put together will indeed actually revive the economy.
Awesome. Umang, do you have any questions for us?
So, sir, as a faculty, what advice would you give to a chartered accountant like myself who is joining the IIMs in this June?
So you sure that you're converting this interview?
Yes, sir, I am confident.
All right, Umang, I really like your confidence. Let's see what happens. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
your
Umang.
insights, sir. Thank you.